Boy, hurry up. We don't have that much time. Come on, let's do this.
What's up? This song is for all the ladies out there. Deep threat. Deep threat. Just getting high on my production. We can come here to play around. Y'all ain't ready, know what I'm saying? Cause when the bell buckle unloose, I try and dress me king. South Oliveira. Deep threat, bell buckle on. Listen, what's up, homie?
Girl, I got you open wide, with my eye between your thighs, that what you like. A player like me putting it down, from the dirty south, I'm about to clown. Got something made just for you, let me show you a thing or two. Have you saying, ooh, 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 ooh. Girl, I hit it like bang, bang, boogity up, jumps the rhythm to the rhythm of the headboard. Sweet girl, give it to me like you said you would. Haven't had enough, girl, it's too damn good. Sex you down from head to toe. Where the nose goes, no one knows. Do it to you, fast or slow, fast or slow. Girl, I want you, need you all night long, girl. It's your world, I'm just a squirrel trying to get up, just to move your butt, baby girl. What's up? Keep threat by the bus. When the bell buckle unloose, undress me, give you what you need. Let me put your mind at ease. When the bell buckle unloose, undress me, I'm feeling freaky. Let me freak inside your fantasy, and we can see all the freaky little kinky things, like 5 o'clock on your office couch. When we knock the spring right out, I'm putting in overtime. Open mind, reclining chair, with your candy goes up in the air. Tie you down to this desk, show you why they call deep threat. Come on, let's do this. I gotta get this off my chest. Your body in total bliss. Baby, let me kiss those lips. Hands drop, knees to bell buckle unloose. Baby, what you wanna do? We can do it right, baby. Show and prove. Want your thoughts, my soul and mind. I just wanna take some of your time. So tell me what you wanna do. When the bell buckle unloose, when the bell buckle unloose, undress me, give you what you need. Feeling freaky. When the bell buckle unloose, undress me.
What's up to all them ladies out there in Southwest, Acres Home, Southport, Sunnyside, you know what I'm saying? All the way down south. Yeah, MIA, South, National, I don't think. Not about nobody. All the ladies out there, like that now. Get a soul for your mind. Holla at you.